Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. A partnership agreement is used when two or more people want to carry on business as partners, sharing management duties and capitalising on the collective skills of the partners. However, partners' inherent rights and responsibilities can be complex if the terms of the arrangement are not as precise and as clear as possible. Partnerships often have partners with differing interests and wishes. It's really critical that you clarify all these issues by spelling out your rights and roles with a professionally drafted partnership agreement. You can protect the interests of those involved by downloading this general partnership agreement and checklist. Put your mind at ease by clearly defining the specific terms that you apply to your partnership.